I don't think I've ever been so happy to see an Arabic word like I did when I saw this word ada in this story. So this story is to help you with listening and comprehension skills. So I came here and I saw ada. I was so happy, and the reason is, okay, let me go to my Arabic book. So in the morning I had been revising my book. This is Madinah Arabic Book 2. I finished it a while ago, but I'm revising these books as I go along. So every day or whenever I get the chance, I revise. So that morning, I had been looking at lesson 9, Adarsu Tasia, while I was on the train. And then the teacher was asking if these students understood the class. So these ones said they did. Naam fahimna jiddan. They understood very well. Then qala Abdurrahman anna ma fahimtu fiha thalathatu kalimat. So he said he didn't understand 3 words. Qala al-mudarrisu ma hiya, what are they? Qala Abdurrahman قرأنا في الدرس هذه الجملة. We read in the lesson this sentence. عاد جدي من الخرطوم. So this is what they read in the lesson. عاد جدي من الخرطوم. Excuse my pronunciation, it's still obviously not so good, but anyway, I understand that. So فيما معنى هذه كلمات ثلاثة. So in this he didn't understand 3 words. قال المدرس عاد, which is this word that I saw in the story later on in the afternoon. معناها رجع. So this is what it means. It means رجع. And previously it means returned. I have written here returned. And وجد معناها أبو الأب أو أبو الأم. So it's جدة معناها, meaning of it is Abu Abi, the father of your father. أو means or, Abu Umi, the father of your mother, which is your grandfather. والخرطوم عاصمة Sudan. It's the capital city of Sudan. أفهمت قال عبد الرحمن الآن فهمت. Now I understand. So this is where I saw the word ada, and it means raja. So when I saw this story, I was like, yay, ada means raja, because previously I would have gone to my dictionary to have a look. But because I had read this, that's why I say read various Arabic texts, even stories, listen to stories and animation. And yeah, I've got some animation that I listen to, and sometimes I come across words that I see again later on. So yeah, I just wanted to share that. So read various things in Arabic, and you may come across a word that you immediately identify. I was really excited because this happened on the very same day. Thanks for watching, and see you again soon.